Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about sparklines in Excel. So what are sparklines? Well, sparklines are just tiny charts to the side that show a visual representation of the data. So you use sparklines to show trends in a series of values, such as seasonal increases and decreases and economic cycles, or to highlight maximum and minimum values. And I'll be showing you how this is done in the demo that we're going to be doing now. So I'm back with the data that I've been using for a couple of other videos. And today we're going to be doing sparklines. So how do you get to sparklines? So we go to the Insert tab up here. Again, as always, click Insert. And down here, it has the names of everything. The tables, add-ins, charts, tours, and sparklines. So these are the three sparklines that we have. Today I'm going to be focusing on line sparklines. To do this, I'm going to start off by selecting my first row because I'm only going to be showing you the first row today. So you click on the start and then you press shift and the right arrow key. So I'm going to press a couple of times till I get to the end, and then I'll click on line. And you can always do it after you click on the button over here, but I'm doing it early to make the job easier. And if you're going to do it after you click on the button, then you can use this and you can just select it. You can just select it and then you can put it down. I've already selected mine so you can't see. And then location range. So we click on the thing, and so location is where you want the sparkline to be. So I'm going to put it right next to my column here, and it will come up with the location range, and you click OK. And that is our line sparkline for this. And now if you want to make line sparklines for the rest of it, for all of these down here, you don't have to keep going back to the button and pressing it again and again. You can just come to the tab where it is and go to the corner, the right bottom corner, and when it comes to the cross, it's on the cross now, you can just drag it down how much ever you want. Do it up to here. And so there we have all our line sparklines. So once you have all of them over here, if you want to make it bigger, you can always go to the top left corner where it has this little triangle button and click on it, and it selects the whole thing. And when it comes to this cursor over here, you can just drag it down, and there, it makes your cells bigger and you can see the chart more clearly. And if you want to make your sparkline like more visible, or like you want to format the color, there's always options up here, and you can just click on each one and it will just change it for you. So black sparkline color, I might keep mine black. And then over here, so these are points. So I usually like high point, and it shows like the most, and last point. So in the top left corners-ish place, it says column. So you can change the line to column, and as you can see, it changes, and it's basically like a bar graph. And this is usually used for most data. And again, you can format it. So blue, dark blue, or whichever one you want. So up here, you can also do high point. Well, I'm going to be doing high point because for my data, I know that only high point will work first point and low point won't work in the column for me. And the last one is the win or loss. Well, the win or loss doesn't show the levels, but it only shows the negative and positive. So in mine I don't think there are any negative points, so it won't work on my data. So now we come to the end of this video. I hope you all liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel for more content, and see you all next time.